There have been a lot of meetings this week, many varied issues, including how the regions and the small nations across Europe can work together more effectively within the European Union. But what's dominating the end of this week is TTIP, that trade deal between the EU and the United States. It's being discussed at the moment, and there are many concerns about what this deal will mean for Wales. I'll be speaking later in the week at a seminar organised by the Royal College of Nursing, looking at how this will have an impact on health and how they can campaign against it. And on Saturday, groups of people right across Wales will be taking part in a day of action to raise awareness about the dangers to our environmental standards, our food standards, our public services and our democracy itself. So I hope that people will come and take part to find out more about TTIP, to campaign against TTIP, because what we need is a trade deal for Wales that will benefit Wales, benefit consumers, farmers, every one of us, and most important of all, perhaps protect our public services that we all depend on so much.